Hi everyone, this is Ino and I'll be presenting my research proposal entitled Designing a Fine-Tuning Framework for Financial Large Language Models. To give a high-level overview, financial analysis is the process of evaluating a business financial condition to understand its returns, risks, and opportunities. With the insights gained from the analysis, stakeholders could properly manage their investments, capital allocation, and overall business performance. That's why this is really important, not just in finance but also for every other company. However, currently each analysis is done manually through hours of research, writing, and sifting through tons of financial documents and company reports. That's why throughout the years, researchers have been looking to automate the process through the aid of computers. Early approaches utilized the different natural language processing techniques such as the use of finance-specific lexicons and machine learning. However, results from these early experiments were too inaccurate for any practical use cases. In 2017, large language models such as GPT and BERT gained prominence in the NLP space. These general models were exceptionally better at natural language understanding, reasoning, and writing. However, performance in financial analysis and other quantitative tasks were still subpar as these models were not trained specifically in those areas. To further improve LLM performance in finance, general models were trained on large financial datasets. This led to the development of specialized LLMs such as Finbert and Bloomberg GPT. However, as training these models require powerful hardware and large financial datasets aren't publicly available, these early financial LLMs were very expensive to produce. For context, Bloomberg GPT approximately cost more than $2 million to train the model. Hence, creating financial LLMs were only available to big corporations and well-funded research institutions. Fortunately, in 2023, open source models and new fine-tuning methodologies have been publicly available, decreasing the cost of training. This greatly accelerated research and led to a Cambrian explosion of new language models and techniques, which trickled down to the finance domain. Each model continued to build upon another, gradually improving the performance per each iteration. So the question now is, how do we build financial LLMs? Generally, there are two ways to train LLMs for financial tasks. First option is we pre-train a model from scratch by feeding it a large corpora of financial text, after which we let the model find patterns from these financial data by itself. Second option is if we could fine-tune an already existing pre-trained LLM, for example, BERT or GPT, and feed it finance-specific data to transform the generalized model into a finance-specific one. To simplify the concept, pre-training determines the weights of a model, while fine-tuning adjusts the already existing weights of a model. Given this, fine-tuning is usually cheaper than pre-training. Other concepts we should consider for this study are the technologies that gave us open source language models, such as Llama, a pre-trained open source LLM released by Meta in 2023, LoRA or low rank adaptation, which is a fine-tuning technique that reduces the number of trainable parameters in a model, allowing LLMs to be trained using consumer hardware, and quantization, a technique that reduces the model size, essentially decreasing memory requirement. With all these open source technologies, we can now train LLMs at around $300. With the ongoing advancements in LLM research, accuracy in financial sentiment analysis measured via F1 score is presented as follows. For generalized LLMs such as GPT-4 and Llama 7B, score is around 51% and 40% respectively. For pre-trained Fin LLMs such as Bloomberg GPT, it has similar scores with GPT-4 at around 51%. Meanwhile, a fine-tuned Llama 7B is at a whopping 74%, showing that fine-tuning a generalized base model yields more accuracy than pre-training from scratch. However, despite the continued improvements, inaccuracies still persist. Accuracy for financial sentiment analysis is still below 80%, while for numerical reasoning, accuracy is even lower at below 65%. Given the highly regulated nature of the finance industry, current accuracy levels are still unacceptable for enterprise adoption. However, improving accuracy is still a major challenge due to limited access to financial datasets and as LLMs weren't specifically trained to perform arithmetic, let alone quantitative finance. Hence, the research aims to answer the main problem: how can we increase a large language model's accuracy on quantitative financial analysis using only open source technology and limited financial datasets? Based on different literature, the most promising solutions so far are the use of Retrieval Augmented Generation or RAG and Program Aided Language or PAL. RAG is a fine-tuning technique that combines retrieval of relevant documents with language model generation. This method confines the response to the retrieved information and thus reduces hallucinations. Meanwhile, PAL uses LLMs to interpret problems and generate programs as intermediate steps, while a program, usually a Python interpreter, handles the solution. This method delegates the actual solving to an interpreter, minimizing arithmetic mistakes. Currently, there aren't yet any research on the financial LLM space that focuses on combining the two techniques with one another. With that, the main objective of this research proposal will be to design a fine-tuning framework utilizing a modified RAG and PAL module to improve the accuracy of a Llama-based LLM for financial analysis. The study will focus on financial analysis tasks related to financial report writing and Q&A, which requires only common financial arithmetic. The study will not cover financial tasks involving advanced quantitative financial models such as those used in stock prediction. Other factors that could limit the research would be the cost to train LLMs and the availability of datasets. Hence, the research will maximize the use of open source models and publicly available datasets in Hugging Face and Kaggle. Meanwhile, hardware and software tools will primarily come from cloud providers. Results of the research will be significant as it contributes to both the fields of computer science and finance. For one, generating a high accuracy score may allow enterprises to finally automate the highly manual process of financial analysis, leading to increased cost savings and faster lead times. Secondly, the development of a novel fine-tuning framework could be used by other models and in other industries such as healthcare, law, and other fields. For the research methodology, it will primarily involve the design of the fine-tuning framework and an experiment to test if it does improve the accuracy of the model. Majority of the time will be allocated in the framework design and creation of the architecture for the modified RAG module and the PAL module. As we go through more literature, we will try to improve both modules based on state-of-the-art methodologies. After implementing the framework design, we will then proceed to the collection and pre-processing of financial datasets and use these data to fine-tune the latest Llama model available to the public. Lastly, we will test and evaluate the performance of our fine-tuned model versus other language models. And that's it for the presentation. For the updated literature map and matrix, I will be attaching them as annex in this deck. And for any inquiries, I now open the floor for Q&A. Thank you.